Hello you guys, so today is the 1st of December and I think this probably will be the second vlog you guys see. It's gonna be pretty similar to yesterday. The kids are at school. I'm chilling right now. I'm about to hop on the computer and do some finishing touches on my banner and intro so I can get to, yesterday's video out. So by the time you guys see this one, you will have seen the day before. So today I have like the usual stuff planned: clean up, do laundry. That's like every day, and vlog, of course. And I have a couple things to do later on after the kids get out of school. So also it's my birthday week, so my birthday's on Friday. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be 27, so I'm getting old, but I'm excited about my birthday this week. So just gonna try to keep my mind in a positive state for that, so hopefully I get to, you know, enjoy my birthday. But yeah, I'm just about to hop on the computer and do some work, and I'm also watching the 100 on Netflix right now. So comment down below what Netflix shows, movies, or anything you're binging right now, so we can compare, because I always need new shows to watch. So I'll get back with you guys later once I start doing something different than what I'm doing right now. Hey guys, so I finished making my banner and like some more channel art on my channel, but I have not made the intro yet, and I'm still editing the vlog from yesterday that y'all are supposed to have already seen by the time you see this vlog. So it's like 30 minutes before I have to go get the kids. So I did like clean up. I washed dishes and cleaned up. I've been doing laundry today, so sorry that I didn't get to vlog that, but my battery was dead, so I had to charge it. I do have 2 batteries, but I do not know for the life of me where my other one is, so sorry. It's gonna be a real vlog, so if it's a flop vlog, it's still gonna go up, just so I can practice consistency. So I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. Here it is right here, just editing. So yeah, and then I'm making some food for the kids to have. Nothing fancy today, okay? I really want to finish editing this vlog, because Lord knows with my internet connection how long it's gonna take to upload, and I want to get it up today. I'm trying to be on track. So yeah, but I don't have anything else planned for the day. Yeah, so my goal today is to get my vlog up, get my intro done for sure, because it has to be in the vlog, and then I have to edit. I'm gonna edit this vlog tonight so that it can be up tomorrow. I'm thinking I'm aiming for like evening time for my vlogs to go up. We'll see. It may not be like super consistent like as far as time goes, but I'm gonna try. So y'all just make sure that y'all subscribe and click the bell notification icon so that you're notified every time a new video comes up on my channel, and make sure that you share this video and thumbs up, duh. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I really was pissed that I could not vlog me. I wanted to do like a time lapse with me cleaning, but that didn't happen. So it's okay. I'll be doing it again tomorrow, so y'all see something. But yeah, all my days are so much like alike, but I'm excited because I told y'all this week is my birthday. So tomorrow we're supposed to be going to get piercings, and I'm so excited because I want to get a nose piercing. I want to get nose piercings on both sides of my nose, so we'll see how that comes out. Okay, so I finished making the kids food. I didn't even get to edit like I wanted to, because I just needed to make sure I finished their food, and then someone was calling me, so I finished making the food. I'm eating my little grilled cheese sandwich right here. I'm gonna go pick these kids up. I was talking to my friend Tootie today, and we were talking about how we need to get some car mounts for these cameras, because Ciao. Anyways, I really, how the hell should I get there? I really miss creating makeup content, like beauty content. And I know I've been gone for a long time. I've been just like, the only type of beauty content I've been able to like put out is like stuff on TikTok. And at first I was not gonna get swallowed in by TikTok because I felt like it was just for like really younger people. But I love TikTok, so I'm always on TikTok, like just watching, but I also post on there too. So for a little while there, I was like consistently uploading like makeup videos, makeup tutorials, and I stopped for a little bit once like the kids had went back to school and they were like at home every day for virtual learning. And then they went back, and I haven't been really uploading makeup content, so I'm gonna get back on that. Y'all might get a little behind the scenes of like what that is like in the next few vlogs. Maybe I'll be on TikTok. I'll be doing them little dances, cause it's just fun. It's just fun. It, like, I don't know, I feel like it keeps me young, cause like I know I'm getting older, but like sometimes I just want to feel like a young spirit, and so I like doing things that make me feel like I'm still young even though I'm getting old. So, but I'm excited to get to decorate the Christmas tree with the kids. I know they like doing that type of stuff. Last year, I've actually videoed, or I filmed us whenever I was in my apartment. I filmed us like decorating, and it was so festive. I was really festive last year. Like the first time I ever celebrated a Christmas by myself, like at my own place. So it was nice. But I don't know what happened to that footage, to be honest. I think I recorded on my phone, then my phone broke, and then I couldn't. Oh Lord Jesus, this line long. I don't like that. I just really have been like annoyed with myself not being consistent on YouTube. So Vlogmas is like the perfect time for me to really stay on top of my stuff and just really challenge myself to be consistent, so that I can actually see some type of growth on my channel, because I'm at 3,000 subscribers, which is okay, but I feel like I could be up there, and all that I'm lacking is consistency. And also I have been having like a challenge, like finding like what is the best thing for me to post in comparison to what I would want to post. So but yeah, more content is definitely coming soon. I think in between some of these vlogmases, or like there may be days where I post a vlogmas and I also have a content video for you guys, just to keep y'all like, you know, in the loop with me as far as vlogging and stuff goes, so you can see like the behind the scenes and like my life and stuff. But I also want to keep that content coming because I don't want to like lose my touch. Not that I have such a touch, but wow, you went up from a 3.7 to a 4.6.
I went up from these two are the same level. I went up. I did not want to go up. I wanted to stay because these levels are just chapter books.
Spilled your drink?
Yeah.
Quick, the quicker pick her up.
I'm sure there's some that aren't, but you gotta get better at reading.
I don't want no chapter book. That's like
You gotta get used to that. That's okay.
That's okay.
There's books that are lower than that. Because when I was in the 5th grade. When I was in the 4th grade, I was reading chapter books and there weren't that many.
Mom, look, I have a book to get. Oh, I need just one. I just need 2 categories. No. I need to write
non-fiction books?
Ashley, I can read.
What?
Ashley, on Friday, I'm getting a cupcake.
Okay.
Because
I need a pencil.
it's not that whoever wins, whoever gets the highest level, and gets cupcake. So I get cupcake on
Oh
Friday.
my goodness, this cross traffic is ridiculous. What time do I got? Lonnie, look.
What time do I gotta get dressed?
You barely got that.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so I'm coming to you guys with more energy because the last vlog was kind of like I was hella monotone, and I don't like that, and that's just how my voice is. But I'm gonna try to have a little bit more energy when I talk to you guys. So today is Thursday, it's the day before my birthday. I'm gonna be 27. And so today, I didn't think I had plans, but my twin called me and she said, let's go have lunch, or let's go shopping, let's go do something and plan the rest of our birthday weekend out. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I'm about to take a shower and get ready. So y'all will see all of that. I'll have a little, you know, the sped up version with the little song on top of that. You know, I like doing that for y'all. I feel like it's relaxing. So yeah, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel, join the Savage family, and share and give me a thumbs up for sure. I'm sorry y'all keep seeing my bra, but I'm about to take a shower. So I just want to start the vlog off in like a really chipper, happy type mood that I'm in right now. So because you just never know how the day's gonna go. Anyways, I'm gonna take a shower and then y'all gonna see me get ready for the day, okay? So I could not get the footage that I vlogged on my phone to my computer. It's so annoying. So there's some deleted scenes that you guys are not going to see from this day, but I will make a separate video of all of my deleted scenes that I could not get into my vlogs at the moment, and I will put them in one big vlog, like a compilation of footage that you guys haven't seen. But I'm going to go ahead and insert the rest of my vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Is this one you made earlier? Are we starting from the game? Back of my throat, my head. Are you starting or you know, you got it. Throw his mic and he tryna stop me. Y'all I'm a free bitch. Look at my eyes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he's they was really thinking. Beat in the gold chain, I'm the one that eats it. If he ate my ass, he's a bottle. He can't hurt my feelings, but I like pain. If he fuck me, ask who's in. When I ride the dick, I'm spell my name. And I think we're both right. Ain't that DJ Charles over there? Look like DJ Charles. Look like DJ Charles. Real hot girl shit.
I like them raw, yeah. Light skin, dark skin, short. I like them tall, yeah. Slim. Basketball, yeah. I need a free. I go deep, I had to eat. So what's up, Bree? Hey. What's up, Keith? I get hard when she walk past me. Cause she think
hard to be like
over there.
They better know exactly what the fuck they came to do. Period. Crazy curvy waist, big titties, little waist, body crazy curvy waist.
If anything on the grind, somebody tell me that it's my time. Somebody tell me why they hang on me. Somebody tell them start hang on me. Yeah. Somebody tell them that I'm not lying. Somebody tell them I will outshine. Anybody think they gonna replace me? You know I am who they say with you, bitch. Bitch, you be talking about money and I ain't get no money. What's up? I can't fuck with you, bitch.